One single video a day keeps free traffic in play. What's going on, YouTubers, World Wide Web, large subscribers, guys? This is me, Marlon Bennett, guys, and I'm back for an affiliate email list building lifestyle YouTube video. And so, guys, today we're going to talk about a little bit of mindset. Okay, we're going to talk about a little bit of mindset. And I really want you guys to listen in on this. Okay, we're going to talk about the winning mindset of affiliate email marketing. And guys, as sure as the day, I'm misspelling because that's the dyslexia in me, right? But I'm gonna fix that, guys. Don't concentrate on the misspelling. Focus on the message, right? So we're talking about the winning mindset of affiliate email marketing, guys. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna inject a little series inside of the YouTube channel where we're gonna actually talk about mindset. It's gonna be mindset videos, okay? And we're gonna talk the winning mindset of an affiliate marketer, an affiliate email marketer, or an aspiring affiliate email marketer, right? We talked about content in the last video, guys. And so for all my aspiring content creators, guys, the video challenge still stands, right? Come on, guys, do your first video. Anyway, guys, let's start today with this new little mini segment that I'm going to inject into the video YouTube or the YouTube videos. I'm going to talk about the winning mindset of affiliate email marketing. So let's just start right off, guys, by talking about some of the characteristics that you either need to adopt, right, or adapt to, and you will over time if you stay in the game long enough, and it'll just make you a better marketer and a better person overall because of it, right? You'll actually be honing your internet marketing skills, and you'll actually be discovering some sides of yourself that you probably didn't even know existed, right? So in the first winning mindset of affiliate email marketing, guys, let's talk about number one. And they are not going to be in any particular order, right? But let's just talk about the fact that I can't is not in your vocabulary. I can't is not in your vocabulary. Now, there are a lot of things we can't do, but when it comes to affiliate marketing, guys, nobody can stop us, right? We own the process. We are our businesses, right? The only person that can stop you is you. And we're not going to do that, right? So anyway, guys, for those of you who don't know, I'm an ex-United States paratrooper, guys. I actually jumped out of aircraft. I jumped out of C-130s. I've jumped out of C-131s. I've jumped out of Chinook helicopters, and I've jumped out of Huey helicopters. And the reason I'm mentioning the fact that I'm an ex-United States paratrooper, and I was actually part of the 82nd Airborne Division, that elite team of Red Beret guys you guys see in all the cool movies, right? So anyway, guys, when I first went to the military, I didn't want to jump out of planes, right? I'm just going to tell you guys that right now. I didn't, right? But the recruiter, somehow he talked me into it. He gave me a nice bonus to enlist, to go to jump school after my basic training and my AIT was over. So I took him up on it, but I really didn't want to do it. Now, here's the thing. So I get down to Fort Benning, Georgia, which is where jump school is, right, in the United States. That's where all the paratroopers go to train. And it's only a 3-week course, believe it or not, guys. And actually, uh, uh, it's 2 weeks because that last week, you're simply jumping out of an aircraft while in flight on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And if you actually exit those aircraft while in flight all the way up to Friday, then you graduate as a United States paratrooper. So technically, jump school was only 2 weeks long. So because we didn't train on Saturday and Sunday, that brings it down to 10 days, guys. So I went from a person who had never been on an aircraft, believe it or not, to actually jumping out of one in 10 days. Count it, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So in 10 days, I went from a person who knew nothing about aircraft, never flown in one, to actually jumping out of them. And in jump week, I successfully exited those aircraft successfully, and I walked away from each and every one of those jumps, and they pinned my jump wings on. I would go on to serve in the 82nd Airborne Division for almost 3.5 years, guys, and I have actually jumped over 55 times and walked away from each jump. So what does that got to do with the winning mindset of affiliate email marketing? Well, I went and did something that I had never done before. Had no clue how it was going to work. Had no clue how it was going to end up. All types of risk involved. We're not going to talk about that. But I did it. And I did it because one of the jump instructors told me I couldn't do it. And from that moment on, guys, I can't was deleted from my mental vocabulary. Now, I'm saying I can't now, and it's hard for me to even say it now. But I'm telling you, just because of that, right? The more somebody tell me I can't do a particular thing, the more determined I become to get it done. That's if it's something that I want to do. So guys, what I want you to do today is let's just go down and delete I can't out of your mental Rolodex, out of your vocabulary, right? Just get rid of it, guys. Just get rid of it. Just get rid of the I can't. If you're an aspiring affiliate marketer, email marketer, or if you are already an affiliate email marketer and you're just trying to hone your internet marketing skills, right? So we know that I can't is deleted. So here's what's going to happen when you delete I can't from your vocabulary, from your mental Rolodex. You're going to really get more focused, right? You're going to get laser focused. And by getting laser focused, you're going to be able to drill down on your message, right? You're going to be able to drill down on your message, and you're going to be able to drill down on your messaging, right? You're going to be able to drill down on your messaging marketing, right? Your marketing message. When you drown out the noise, delete the I can't, and get more focused, right? And I'm going to give you guys an example. Now, every video that I do, guys, is based around the art of list building, right? That's really the foundation of everything that I actually talk about in my videos. I might not actually say list building in every video, but you guys can believe that everything that I'm talking about is part of the list building lifestyle, right? And so we're talking about automating our business, right? We're talking about living the affiliate email marketing list building lifestyle. And so it becomes a part of your lifestyle. The things that you do on a regular basis, you can roll right into your marketing. And when you understand and you identify with your messaging based on your particular niche, you can, when you drill down, guys, here's an oxymoron for you. When you drill down, you're actually going to be able to scale up, right? When you drill down, you're actually going to be able to expand, right, what it is you're going to be capable of doing. Because once you've identified with your market message, right, what it is you are trying to move, who you are, what it is you're trying to sell, right, how it is you are going to implement and execute the processes for getting that done becomes crystal clear, right? It becomes crystal clear, just as clear as the misspelling and marketing is on this actual page that I just put together about 10 minutes ago. So when we know that we eliminate I can't from our vocabularies, then the challenge becomes a winning challenge, right? You look for ways to solve problems, right? To get those problems solved. Because when you understand and you get through that process, now, guys, you're a step ahead of all the other people who are trying to figure that thing out. And guess what? Because of that, you have the unfair advantage, right? Because now you can go out and start sharing that knowledge with somebody else. Now, you may be thinking the internet is way too inundated. There's no way I'm going to be able to do Listen, guys, I told you guys those cool statistics the other day. Every single day, another 200,000 plus people come online looking for ways to make money working from home. So you might not be as knowledgeable as I am, or you may not be as knowledgeable as the Frank Kerns and the Tony Robbins, you know what I mean? But wherever you are, you're way ahead of somebody who's just getting started, right? You're way ahead of them depending on what you've learned up until now, even if it's only been 2 months, even if it's only been 6 months. And whatever that thing that you learn is, and whatever those things you're learning are, you take them, guys. You roll your personality right into it. And then, guys, what are you going to do? When you see something, you're going to say something, right? Because that's the way we bridge the gap between the simple 6 degrees that exist between us and our teammates, between us and our future clients, between us and our customers, right? Between us and that relationship that we're going to start forming as we start building our own affiliate email marketing list, right? You're right in the middle of your marketing, guys, okay? And you have drilled down on your messaging. You've drilled down on your market message in your emails, in your videos, in the content that you create in the post on Facebook. You can even do it in Instagram. And here's the real cool thing about it. When you actually learn how and you do this, you become a better marketer. It actually starts happening subliminally, right? Right? It actually starts happening subliminally. What do I mean? That means in little or no time at all, you do this long enough, you're going to start doing it like you wake up in the morning, right? I really hadn't intended to do this video today, guys. I'm going to commit to a schedule where all the videos are going to go up now. I'm going to put them up at 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? Because I really got to commit to a more serious schedule instead of just putting them up anytime I want. This is an exception because there are a lot of things that I'm working on. I got a lot of stuff that I'm really working on, and it's really coming along really fine. But so by committing to the 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I want to get. We talk about SOPs. I want to actually have an SOP, and I'm knocking over stuff, guys. So that's what that's all about, right? So you get focused, right? You eliminate the I can, right? You drill down on your marketing message, right? And remember, one video a day, video marketers, hint hint, keeps free traffic in play because we want to make sure that we're building our list. You never know who's watching you guys. I think it was Michael Jackson. He said something like he always feel like somebody's watching him. Well, there were always people watching Michael Jackson, but you never know who's watching you on YouTube, right? You never know when somebody's going to jump on YouTube and start looking for a way to make money from home or whatever your biz op is or whatever your niche is, whatever your service is. Find you and just be in that place and be in that space where they're ready to do it. And if you can connect that little 6 degrees of separation, wow, that's a win, guys. But let's just say you don't for the first month or you don't for the second month. It doesn't matter, guys, because I can't is not in your vocabulary. So you're going to keep doing the things you know how to do. You're going to keep getting better at them, thus honing your internet marketing skills. And by doing that, guys, you're going to become one of the best problem solvers that you know. In fact, you'll be the first person you go to when you want to get a problem solved because you're the best person to go to when you want a problem solved. Because if you want a problem solved, you know how to go get it done. You know that you can't not get it done because can't is not in your vocabulary. Right? Guys, I'm nowhere near as good as I once was, but I'm as good once as I ever was. And I promise you guys, by uploading a video on YouTube, I can do that one time, and that video can produce for me for years to come. Right? Hey, I hope that makes sense to you guys. I'm having fun, and things are really heating up, guys. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys sitting in on the video. That's just a little mindset marketing for you, particularly for all you guys who have come into the let's give some stuff away, right? Let's build our list by giving stuff away, and let's see, can we monetize that list as we doing it, right? Because when you can do that, you are your business, remember? You can step right into what it is you want to do. You can just jump on YouTube, just like I'm doing right now. You can write up a simple email just from the heart in your own voice, connecting with your list, and you can start doing this. And it's so much fun. But it's very lucrative too, guys, okay? Yeah, I'm super pumped. I'm super excited. So, guys, look for the videos to go up at 4 o'clock p.m. That's Eastern time here in the United States. That's on the East Coast time. And they'll be going up. At least we'll have some regularity in the uploads. Because right now, guys, I got videos scheduled. I don't know. They're all over the place. And it's across 4 or 5, maybe six channels, right? So that's something else I'm going to have to do. I'm going to consolidate the channels. And it's just, it's a lot going on. But anyway, I appreciate you guys sitting in on the video. If this made any kind of sense to you, go ahead on, right? Subscribe to the channel, guys, because you know what we're going to do. We're going to keep doing whatever's clever. We're going to keep giving stuff away. We're going to keep building our list. We're going to keep monetizing that list. And by doing that, guys, we're doing everything and anything associated with that, right? We're doing whatever's clever, right? And if you can build a list, you can build a business. Thanks so much, guys. As always, you'll find a link somewhere in the YouTube video description or a button right below this video. Want to see what it is? Just waiting for you on the side, guys. Go on and click the button, right? If you guys on YouTube, I think you might have to come into one of my capture pages. I don't know. You got to see. Anyway, thanks for being on the video, guys. I appreciate all you guys so very, very much. I'll see you guys on the next Winning Mindset of Affiliate Email Marketing YouTube video. Keep rocking, keep making things happen, and I'll see you guys then.